word, you fucking bitch!
Hey!
Bastard! They can just take whatever the fuck they want without paying for it, huh? Are you alright, huh? It was nice what you did. Regular knight in shining armor you are, huh? Now don't be shy. There you go.
Good morning. You have a little for us? Yeah. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Ahmad! Ahmad, dostał! Ahmad!
ئەزانم لە نکرێت دەستداوە بەڵام پێم بڵێ ئەی بۆ دەزیرانەکە چێڵی
نامێ بێمە ناو ژیانە تاریکەکەی خۆمەوە ئەمە هیچ نەبێویش تۆزەی سراحەتکە تۆزێ بە ئارامی بژی
تۆ باسی چیەکەی؟ تۆ هونەرمەندی هونەرمەند پاشان تۆ یەکەم کەس نیکە هەموو کەس و کارت لەدەستداوە یەکاک ئێمە هەموو کەس و کاری تۆی
بەزین چی بێ لەوەی کە خۆم بێتاقەتم ئەمە لەوێ هیچ جێبێ لەگەڵ خەڵکی ئەتیادیەکەی باسی ئامانەیان بوو سەکاتی و مناقەشەیەش نەماوە وەجبەکە چاوەڕێ ڕێمەکات درەنگە باشە کاکە باشە هاتمەوە کاک سەربەز ئەگەر ڕووفاتەکانیان هێنایەوە کە سوکارەکەی منی تیا بوو بەزەوت کامێ لێتان کە و کە سوکاری خۆتان معامەلیان لەگەڵا باشە
خەمت نەبێ
خواحافظ خواحافظ هاتم كاك خواحافظ خواحافظ
This is £90 emergency money for you. Keep it. And then from now on, every week you will get £35.
Also, you have to go to Hammersmith police station, yes, every week on a Monday to sign.
It is necessary for you to stay out of trouble. We need an interpreter. Khaled, oh. Can you please come and sit next to me? I really need your help. We have a new guy in the house, and he can't speak a word of English. I really need you to explain the situation at the house to him.
Like last time, take this to remember the life of your sweetheart.
Thank you. Every Monday you give me a rose. His grave is covered in flowers, thank you. But for now, we really need to talk to him. Could you explain to him that this is just an emergency house? After this, there are only two paths. It's either he's going to get leave to remain settlement, or he's going to get refused and then he has to leave straight away.
براكم بخير بابا مملكتي متحدة. أما الله مالي كزني وقاتي لراكشة. هاد كاتك شرف زورجر خون خطاب وداني. باش. He's a Kurdish.
He's an Arab, I think. He's from Baghdad. He's Iraqi. His name is Saeed.
Saeed. He's me خوشبخت. He doesn't look like his name right now, does he? I shouldn't be either really in this situation, sharing my house with him, Arabs and Kurds. What the word in English is.
It is a bit ironic.
Exactly. This government repeating history.
Can you please leave the politics, Khaled? Just explain to him this is just an emergency house. If he gets refused, he has to leave straight away, just like everyone else.
What?
ئێرە بە هەشتێکە ویستە بۆ من بۆ بە دۆزەخ بڵێ ببمەوە بۆ کەسەی بەر لەوەی نیشتیمان بەجێ بهێڵم تاریکی ڕۆح و مەستبوون بەوەی کە نازانی چی بکەی نازانی لەکوێی لە هەموو شتێک بێزار کردتر ئەگەر لەم نەپرسی حەزمە کرد هەرگیز لەدایک نەبوومەوە بەڵام کە هاتم ئیتر ڕازیم بە ئازاری شەو بژیم وا هەست دەکەم ژیان بێ ئازار بێمانایە ئەمان خۆیان بڕیارێنەوە کەوا بژین چێژی لێوەرەگرن لە سەرما لە برسێتی بێلانەیی خۆیان ویستویانە قوربانی بن بەڵام من کامیان لە کامیانە من کێم
You homeless? Huh? What the fuck are you doing here?
Homeless.
How did you live your life? What does your other life look like from here? If you are some sort of trickster, then do not interfere with our pure life. We would rather live on the street than lead a life of deception and the greed of this creation.
Yeah, greedy, no? 20p and they think it's too much, no? The bloody liars or pretend to check their pockets for change, no? Well, they find some for what they want of me, no? The greedy motherfuckers. They're all the same, just wanting to get their rocks on any which way. They don't give a shit about me. Even my fucking dead no different. All they care about is their greedy little cocks, no? Spare 20p, mister, no?
نمردم من اگرم جاربی تو نچم شرطه حتی خوار بی تو بنایم لیلا الله يبرو يكس مجم يجيك علي بزمان بيتو
I like this. I'm Charles from Czech, and I've been living here for 2 years. Welcome to my world.
I'm Tracy. Before you get too excited, I'm a saxophone.
And I'm Ahmad, a musician. A man without land.
Oh, no problem. I can give you land. But you have to pay your tax. Yeah? Give the man a beer.
What about you?
العفو. تقدر تقول لي شلون اشغل الماي الحار بالبيت؟ اكو هناك كتابات على الحائط مال غرفتي، صديقي كاتبهن. تقدر تقرا لي إياه؟ اريد افهم شنو كاتب.
كذبك يا شنية. لتورز قربوني روحم ايوم جيهش. استاذ جستو روحم بيكو وبيزارنو لتاريخيا غرقبون. انت مثل عماد كان بظلام. لهذا السبب تبين الحزين. هو موسيقي، انت شلون؟
انا تعلمت من الحياة، تعلمت كيف اتمتع من الموت. انا هم مثل صديقك، كان عندي نوعين من الحياة ونوعين من الدنيا، ولهذا السبب القدر غيرت اصلي وكياني.
لما ارجع علمك شلون الماء الساخن يشمل.
العفو. قبل ما تروح تقدر تقول لي وين الجامع صاير؟
كجواب بوقرنا وقصص لنا تمينيو نبدأ مسقوتي الشاقري.
شو اسوي بالجواب اذا ما اقدر اشيل جسمي وروحي مع بعض؟
Why wouldn't you answer me?
Sorry.
It's Monday. You've already given me one today.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. ربي اغفر لي وارحمني واعف عني. اللهم حاسبني حسابا يسيرا.
Your country took the dearest person away from me.
He was just one man.
One man? He was one man? He was my fiancé who died in your country. Every time he tried to go away, I tried to stop him. I tried so hard to scare him so he would leave the military and stay with me. I said to him, if he goes and comes back disabled, I would leave him forever. That's not what I meant, though. I just wanted him to come back to me. I just wanted him to stay here. But he left and he died without even saying goodbye. That was the last thing I said to him. The last thing I said was, if he gets injured, I'm never gonna stay with him.
In my culture, never.
This doesn't belong to culture. He chose to kill and be killed. He chose to leave me here.
Anfal. About 182,000 Kurdish people bared their life. Women and children. I was born here. Talat. And Germian, my wounded land.
You know we are sleeping now. This subway is your hometown now. We gave you a place to stay, not to disturb us.
Your family and my fiancé both died the same way. With a bomb. Brings it all back to me. But promise me one thing. We're not gonna talk about them like this again. We have to leave them to their destiny. We can't keep bringing them back to this filthy reality.
Whenever people talk like this, I just don't understand. For me, we are not really in different place. No, really. Half the time, I don't know where I am. Is it so different?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمد رسول الله.
آسف، ضيعت المفتاح.
لا عادي، ما مشكلة. تفضل يا خالد.
سعيد، ليش ما تروح لغرفتك؟
ما أقدر أنام في غرفتي. أقدر أتفرج شوية تلفزيون. ليش ما تقعد وياي؟
لا شكرا، أنا تعبان هواي. مع السلامة.
مع السلامة.
وشن هورامان مسايا يقول وشن وباخان صداي بلبل وشن هورامان مسايا يقول وشن وباخان نواي بلبل أو قول لباخانة دقدم لباخانة أو قول لباخانة دقدم لباخانة قدركي
Told you guys! Leave us alone!
What shall I do now? I'm going to die soon, and there is not much time left for me. Positive. Imagine an irony. My life has never been positive, but my HIV is positive. Why are you looking at me, huh?
سعيد شتێکی پێ بڵام خۆ دەزانی ئەزانی شۆڵە
بس
هەستە نەکبەت ئەمە کوردیشی تو شەرەف هیچ نەماوە خەوی پێ نەبینیای دەست نەبێ کورەوە مایەکە گەشتتە ئێرە ئەگە وەکو من 10 ساڵ بێ لێرە بێت چیەکەی
خەو بەڕاست خەو بوو
چییە براکە مشکلێکت هەیە ڕۆژێ باسی مزگەوتم بۆ بکەیت و ئێستاش باسی ئایدەس
مشکلە کەس نییە مشکلی نەبێ برا بەس مشکلەی من
جۆ بگرە بە تەمام و بڕۆم بەڵام دانیشم جۆ لێگرم چی بووە بۆم باسکە
جاوە گەر باسشم کرد برا چی لە مەسەلا گۆڕێ
جۆ مێرێ منم شەوە مشتەکانی خۆم بە باسەکەم بەڵام ئێستا دانیشم جۆ لێگرم ئەژ ناچم بەلای گفت
دانیشە بۆ باسەکەم ئێمە هەردووکمان هاوڕێن وانە
وایە
باش تازە هاتبووم لە ئۆتێلەکە بووم چوم کارتی تەلەفۆن بکڕم تاکو لەگەڵ کوردستان قسە بکەم نەمەزانی لە وڵاتەیە بێت تەنها بۆ خۆ بژیت و دەستگری بە کڵاوەکەوتەوە بانەی بات
Why are you scared of me? I will eat you.
پۆلیسەکان خەریبوو من بگرن
پۆلیسیان وڵاتە وەک بنێژوان کە پێتەوە نووسان بە هیچ لێ جانابنەوە ئێ بچین فەحسی خوێن بکەین
نابرا نامێ بیزانم بار بە نەزانی بمێنمەوە باشترە
ئێوارەیەمەوە بۆ لاوە باشە
باشە برا باش
I'm sorry, but you don't have a license to busk here, so you don't have permission to work here. Sorry, there's nothing I can do.
Last night you were here with me just like before. What would happen if that dream was a reality? But you left without even saying goodbye.
Just this last time, and I'll come back, finish my commission.
You're here.
And we will marry and live peacefully together.
Please don't go. Just never leave. My father was taken hostage in the same region during the Iran-Iraq war. Up until today, we still don't know where he is. Growing up, I had to see my mom in agony. Even on her dying days, she was calling it. It's not a life I wanted for myself. If you go, you'll either never come back, or if you do, you'll probably be disabled and I have to. I want to walk alongside you in life. I don't want to be behind you, pushing you along. I will not do that.
Come on. You don't mean that. You love me body and soul.
You're right. I'll take you back regardless. Just like Khalid says, there's so much more to human beings.
Hello, baby. What are you up to today?
I want Bilogi. Give me my buggy. I will go to police station. I come in after 1 hour. Okay? Sign. 1 hour.
لە زیندانی ڕەحمی دایکمانەوە چیرۆکی زیندانەکان دەستیان پێکرد. زیندانی ژیان خۆی، زیندانی ئازارەکانی ژیان، زیندانی گەڕیدەی و برین، زیندانی وەهمی ئاسوودەیی، ڕق، خۆشەویستی، مەرگ و یادەوەری، وەهمی ئومێد، زیندانی دروشم و سیاسەت و تراجیدیا و نەتەوە و ئاین، زیندانی ناخی مرۆڤ کە قوڵترین و تاریکترین زیندانە. چیرۆکی ئێمە و ژیان، چیرۆکی قارەمانی کە لە زیندانێکەوە بۆ زیندانێکی تر. ژیان زیندانێکی گەورەیە لەگەڵ مۆسیقایەکی غەمگینە. کەس بێکێشەنی هەتا ڕزگاربوونی ڕۆحم ڕۆزێک حەد لەدایک استجست الروح حد لديك استجست الروح بيك ونسم
This is a Valentine's food. Evet özelleşmem beni ve sakın.
Valentine's food?
Yes.
But I thought it's your birthday today.
No.
I even have a surprise for you.
Oh.
You always give me roses, so this is back for you. Come here.
What shall I cut my son a video?
What did you say?
Nothing.
Was it about me?
No. My heart wasn't allowed.
That's sweet.
Actually, it's not my birthday today.
But on your card it said it's 14th of February, so
Yeah,
that's
the
why
14th
I thought...
February was my day I arrived in UK.
Oh, because I was thinking it's the same day as your birthday when you actually got in here, but...
That's what it was. Tu çay şirin man boyni.
Okay. And what did you say this time?
We talk about sweet tea.
One day my sunny days will come. One day my clouds will leave me alone. One day my sunny days will come.
One day when my sunny day is here.
Good night, honey. I will see you soon. Go on.
Okay, see you soon.
See ya.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
كاك خالد كاك خالد ئەوە چیتە برا لەسەر خۆتی
خەری کابرا سعید جان تەلەفۆنێ بۆم بڵاز کە
ئەخن برا من ئینگلیزی نازانم
باشە و تەلەفۆنەم بەرێ
دەها بە قوربان ها خۆت
All your test results are okay. Negative. No further action needed. أما نتيجة فحصي خوانكتها نيجاتيفا.
All the fucking same, really, aren't you?
کاک سعید باوەڕ ناکەم ئێستاش کاڕۆیتەوە
کاک خالد من بۆ ئێرە نەکراوە لە تاو شەڕ و شۆڕ و تەقینەوەی عێراق ڕام کرد لێرەش تووشی شەڕی کێشەیەکی دەرونی
One day my sunny days will come. One day the clouds will leave me alone. One day my sunny days will come.
One day when my sunny day is here.
چیکار میکنی؟
صبحانه واسه تو
آره؟
Yes.
ماشي كاكا
تبعك
بيجيت
باسبورتك اهو
من باسبورتم بيني ديبورت
كورتي
بالله ديبورت
لا وصل يا
ليش وصل
لا وصل كاكا اوبريشن جوازات كاكا بس احمد ديبورتك معنا
من ابي زول يا ابن
توقع انه بتاخو يعني
اینا همه شماره های امرجنسی که شما نیاز دارید.
خب. Can you tell him that every Monday he has to go to Hammersmith Police Station to sign on?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I don't know what to say. You guys worked really hard. Charles, I know it is a long flight, but promise me you will find him. Give him this.
I will.
We are all friends now, no? We will fight to stay together.
Well, I have to go.
Bought you some clothes for your journey.
I have to change and do my haircut.
You remember that night? He was explaining to me where he came from.
من هرگز فکر نمی‌کردم که از عراقی‌ها خوشم بیاد. چه برسه به این که عاشق یکیشون هم بشم.
والقات که بزنم بشی؟
Come here. Sorry, so what's your name?
Charles.
Welcome, Charles.
Thanks.
Please, Charles, look it.
I beg your pardon?
Sorry, look it. Okay, good. Please, so forefinger right to scan. Okay, you finger one. Okay, thank you. Welcome to Kurdistan.
Thanks.
Welcome.
تاکسی دەوێت؟
Excuse me, do you speak English?
ئەی کوێر بم بۆ ئینگلیسی. کاوەژیان ئاوەرە بەخۆڵە. Mr. English?
Yes, please.
No problem.
Please.
Come on. Come on.
Nick, you see this picture? I just want to go to this place, please.
You want to go to this place?
Yes, please.
1 minute. 1 minute. رزا أري أما لكلارنيا با وقلاي شيرواني لكلار.
Sorry, what did you say?
This is Kalar.
Kalar, yes.
Yeah, you want to go to this place?
Please.
Okay, okay.
Please.
Can
we go?
Yes. Give me. شوي بي. أرزا جامني بمباشا. شاوري كي كبيابيا.
بابان بدين بجوي شارع بمين نشيني بابانا زاري بارابي بركاني أي شاركم سليماني.
Mister, are you tourist?
What? What the fuck are you talking about? Do I look like a terrorist?
Yes. Terrorist for holiday.
Shit, you mean tourist?
Tourist.
Yes, I am.
Tourist. شو الأمم دي بسوها؟ من مثل ما مجي فاني برا، أما دولة من ديارة الأمريكا وهاتوتو، أما لا أكثر يشتري، أو أكثر نقول عن يلا، لا أوكي، جورج مايكل، لا هي جورج مايكل.
What? I don't understand.
Mister, are you music?
Yes, I am. When I was homeless, I used to play music with my friend Amanj. Yeah.
This is Kurdish song.
Kurdish song.
Yeah.
Amanj used to sing this song. I remember that. Who's this guy?
His name Salah Dilan. He's big Kurdish singer.
Can I meet him?
No, mister, no, I'm sorry.
Why not?
Because he's dead. He's killed by Saddam. Actually, he's died because of Saddam.
ژیان بەدەست یاعی خەڵک ژیان بەدەست سارەکە خۆ دەزانەکە ناسرا بانواشکە برنجی دەکەن بەهای وەک حەسەرنجێک بەرنامەیە شاپ خۆشی ناخۆشی
Mister, are you okay? Cigarette? No here. No here after the tunnel, please. No in my car. What is this? Hashish! No hashish! No, please! No in my car! Haram! Police here! Please! Hey, Bawkar Roach, you can back home. Don't let us back in. Bawkar! No, please! No here! It's okay. It's okay. I love it. Please, no! Saitara, police! Daika! Bauka! Baba Jetayestum!
Slow down. Stop the car. This is the castle. Look, this is the castle. We made it. We fucking made it. Drive.
سيوم قبلها أو خزمة بقرآن كيرم بجيش أو أنا قناعات من أبو بس يبقى من نركي شمرت يا خو بإنسان اشتي شيء بيطلع في خوشكا هو قبلك يدايك بقى لازم كم تان لازم نشوف تاخذوا فوق أول قبلك يدايك بقى هاو شيبوك بكازم لبناكر دايك سن حستك قبلك ولا فانا باوك ما
كاكي كان ريسبشن اللي يدوز مو
بلى
زول ممنون يوز Mister, he's not here.
But we have to find him, Mr. Driver.
His neighbor said he went.
Where to?
I know the place. To Anfal Gravia.
Shall we go?
Yes, yes.
How far, Mr. Driver?
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
دايكا دايكا زو حزمك الكاب لما اكتبه قرامه واو شيشي قلبي بياكم واو شو بياكي جيشتم بوليني سرم بشوي سايم بيبكي اليوم بي دقيقة تروح حكايتك هو وانا كلمة قلت لك لا بسيدة صار خبران وزوجته على مردو كان ببينا يا سامونا تنبيلو
We've been driving for an hour. Where are we?
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
بس خينا السليرم قرامة مبولاتها يسأل خاقك كي خومه ماوكا ليه قراني خوشكي خوتم موتي الله ويسيك هاي خافوا تانكا هاي دي ماي بمر ماي اي
What happened here?
Mister, Saddam killed everybody. Men, women, children. He put them all in the grave alive. Even they don't know where's their family.
Saddam again, huh?
Yes, Saddam. Saddam killed everyone. Mister, I was waiting here for you, okay? بس جو نايلم بدس على كنفر يا هم دزناك شربي هم كردستان بقرنم Mister, I'll wait here.
Shit. Ahmad! Thank God I found you.
Oh my God. Charles.
What are you doing here? I can see your tax is free now.
I happy see to you again. Who are they? What you doing here? Who are they? They're my family. I don't know. My brother is here. Are you good?
I'm sorry about your loss, but I have to take you back.
Are you crazy?
Look, I did promise to Michelle to take you back. Do you understand?
Okay, because my family is here. Michelle?
Michelle.
Oh my God. I have to wait. Charles, I have to wait. Yes. I have to wait.
Dear Ahmad, I wanted you to know my thoughts are with you in your time of grief. I do understand how you feel and the enormity of your loss. When you were in London, I simply couldn't find the strength to tell you about the car accident that took both my parents away. I couldn't even find the words to express what happened. Now I'm able to express myself again and talk about that tragic evening. It shows that life does heal us eventually. I hope you can find some comfort in this and in how deeply I miss you.